I show you how to make my Hawaiian Pizza Casserole up next on the Trailer Park Cooking Show.
She's bringing the trailer park lifestyle to the world. Come inside, don't be shy, cause Jolene can't wait to meet ya. She's the queen of the park. She's got gossip news and lots of food to feed ya. Jolene Sugarbaker. Jolene Sugarbaker is one budget-minded girl. Lots of cheap fashion is the passion at the park. The passion at the park. The passion at the park. Dropping in on neighbors is all part of Jolene's world. Jolene Sugarbaker, she's the trailer park queen.
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen. And welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. And welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jolene, the Trailer Park Cooking Show, where I teach you how to live on a budget and do it the Trailer Park way. Well, I know I've been gone for a little while and I was having some dental surgery. They stuck a cow bone up there and it's on the easy pay payment plan for quite some time, may I add. But now I can keep all my front teeth, so that's a good thing. But I thought I'd come back with you and share a great casserole that's perfect for a potluck. And it may be a controversial casserole. I know that everything is that these days. But you may see on people's posts that they say they don't like pineapple on their pizza. But do they like pineapple on a casserole? Today I'm going to be sharing a great casserole. You may not be able to go to the islands, but you can make this great Hawaiian pizza casserole. Now, I know you're reaching for that thumbs down button, but you can change it out to your taste. You don't have to add the pineapple, but I'm not going to tell you about that just yet. So you'll have to tune in and find out how to make my Hawaiian pizza casserole up next on the Trailer Park Cooking Show with Jolene. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my Hawaiian pizza casserole is really simple. I'm going to get a skillet going up on the stovetop with about 3 tablespoons of oil. I've got 1 medium green pepper here chopped and about 1 medium onion here. Now, I don't like mushrooms. I've had people unsubscribe when they've heard that, and that's totally on you if you do that. But you can add a ½ pound to a little bit more of mushrooms to this mixture too. Now, we get to the pineapple at some point. There'll be an exit point, kind of like a haunted house if you don't want to go all the way for this Hawaiian tropical pasta. But you can change things out as you go, and we'll talk about that too. So let me get this started. Now you're just going to saute the green peppers and the onions and the mushrooms if you added them for about 5 minutes. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. Okay, once that has gotten tender, you're going to add 15 ounces of pizza sauce, or today I'm using some good spaghetti sauce, or if you really wanted to, you could use some tomato sauce and some bay leaves and oregano and all that fancy stuff, but I just add a little bit more oregano and some garlic powder because I like to kick it up a notch, and we're just going to simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes all together up on the stovetop. Don't let it bubble too much, but we're just going to keep this up on the stovetop, and we're going to work on our pasta next. Next up, you're going to follow the package directions on Rotini Pasta's box, and we need about 3½ cups of the dry pasta right on in there. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. So this is the exit ramp. If you're not putting pineapple in it, don't follow this. Don't put the pineapple in it. That's the most easiest thing that you can really follow. But you can leave a comment down at the bottom about how you're going to change this up for your family. I'd like to hear what you could add to this to make it your own. Okay, next up to the tomato mixture, you're going to add the drained pasta right on into there, just like that. And I drain that. And now I'm going to add a cup or so of chopped cubed ham that is already cooked. And that, people put that on their pizza too. And now I'm going to add the pineapple that I've pretty much drained. And that's the chunk pineapple. And I'm just going to mix this around a little bit here and check back with you in just a moment. Now I'm going to stir in 5 cups of mozzarella cheese in there. Wow, this is going to be nice and cheesy here. And I'm going to just stir this around until it melts into the pasta. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. Then put your mixture in a casserole dish that has been greased down and put the remaining cheese that you have in your packages up on top, and you could garnish it with maybe some parsley or whatever you like up on top, or even some pepperoni. That would look nice. And pop it in an oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until it's nice and bubbly. So set your timer. And there you have it, my Hawaiian Pizza Casserole. Now, I know this will cause some controversy, and we did talk about how to change out some of the ingredients to make it for your own family. Maybe you don't like pineapple and pasta. Maybe I don't. I haven't even tried it yet, but I do see the pineapple peeking out there with the ham chunks and the tomato sauce, and I do like pineapple fried rice with the chicken. That's always very good. But I'm gonna get some of the pineapple and the ham and the pasta and the cheese, and I'm just gonna tell you what it tastes like here. We're just gonna see what it is, and let's get it taste. Oh, it's hot here. Let's see. That is a respectable casserole there. I know that I don't really like pineapple on my pizza, but in the casserole, it's kind of got that kind of pineapple fried rice kind of thing going on with it, with the tomato sauce and the ham and the cheese. And this would be good on a buffet table, and it would certainly surprise people. And that is actually very good. I hope you get a chance to make my Hawaiian Pizza Casserole. And if you do, send me pictures at jolenesugarbaker@gmail.com. Don't forget to follow me all over the place and visit my website at jolenestrailerpark.com. I've got merch on Amazon. All you have to do is search for my name, Jolene Sugarbaker, and you can find it. And hit that big old subscribe button and that notification bell wherever it is they hide that. And I've got more recipes coming out real soon. I am back, and I can't wait to share with you how to do it the trailer park way. I love you, and I'll see you back real soon. I'm going to go finish this. This is actually surprising, and I hope you get a chance to make it. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out.